Hi everyone, today we're unboxing Anker Prime 6-in-1 charging station. It has 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports and 2 AC outlets, and it has a smart display. Here is description for the output watt of the device. It varies depending on how many devices you connect to the charging station and on which ports. Now we'll open the box. And the device itself. Have the cable, user manual, the device. This is the cable to the AC outlet, and this will be connected to the device. The user manual. The device, it looks like a power bank, but it's not a power bank. It's a charging station. Here we have the 2 AC outlets. This is where the cable will be connected to the wall. And here we have 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C charging ports. The build quality looks nice. It's a plastic, and this is shiny. It looks like it can be smudged or collecting dust easily. This device can provide 140 watt. That means it can fully charge an Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch within 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is small and thin. It's 3 inches by 6.3 inch and is 0.7 inch thick. In metric, it's 78 millimeter by 162 millimeter, and it's 18 millimeter thick. The cable that comes with the device is 5 feet long or 1.5 meter. On the side we have this button. On the bottom side we have 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports, and on the top we have these 2 AC outlets, and this is where the cable will be connected. To keep the device as thin as it is now, they make a mechanism that makes the AC outlet pop up when a plug inserted. Now we'll plug the device and turn it on. After we connect the power to the device, now we have this, which is saying 00 watt. Now we will connect the Apple MacBook Pro laptop to the device and see how the values change on the screen. My laptop is almost 100%, so I'm not sure if the device will provide 140 watt charging speed. On the screen, showing that the charging speed is 50-51 watt. Now we'll start connecting devices and see how the display information changes. Now the power outputs varies, but it's between 60 and 70 watt for the total of 3 ports. Now we'll click on the button on the side to see how displayed information changes. Now we see how many watt provided through the 4 outputs. Another click. Now the voltage and the amps for each of the outlets. Last click to get us back to the main screen. For comparison, as you see here, this is our device, This is Anker 65 watt charger, and this is Apple MacBook Pro 140 watt charger. Now we'll compare a product to another two Anker power suppliers. This is Anker 521 power strip. It has 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C output. It can charge up to 30 watts through the USB-C, and it comes with 5-foot cable. This is Anker 331. It has 6 AC outlets and has 3 USB-A outlets, and it comes with on-off button, and its cable is 5 feet long. The price tag for this device is $109.99, and I think it's a good option for someone who has the budget and want to have one device to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Maybe it's a good option to use it while traveling, because the device is kind of small and you don't have to pack multiple chargers or devices. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Please support us by like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.